those who are joining us.
Kiaria giikaraino kia omothe kia mothe wa ihoto cia umundo mucirithania munene ni onekanite guthenio ni gikundi kimwe kia andu na aria matarenda akorwo wabici-ini.
When I speak, I always confess that I'm a victim of cyberbullying, or is it called technologically facilitated gender-based violence.
Koome ugite bara iria koretwo agitungio nenda-ini ni kunyiruria wira wake na ndiri na muthingio wothe, akiuria aria makoretwo makiingirira ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni ndoro marahaka ruhonge ruru.
It's a business model. I don't know to achieve what, maybe to scare me, to distract me, to defame me and hold me out of office, but they can try something else.
Ihinda-ini riu ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni rutariirie makinya maria matacukitie hoka ni kugitira ihoto cia muingi na kuiga mwihoko ona makiria kuhitukira magoti.
Through our collective efforts, we can build a judiciary that is responsive, transparent and resolute in upholding human rights for all Kenyans.
The court has advanced the social justice agenda that is envisaged in our constitution. This, amongst other landmark decisions, shows the High Court of Kenya is truly a guardian of our Bill of Rights.
Unyitaniri wa honge citiganite ni uteithitie kugitira ihoto cia umundo ona thengio wa maabitha a borithi kurikana nio maunaga ihoto cia muingi. Koome ni ugite ati honge ta IPOA ni cikoretwo cigiteithiriria muno guteithurana ndũgamano ici.
By upholding human rights, addressing socio-economic disparities and defending democracy, the High Court continues to serve as a pillar of our democracy.
Ningi wongerereku wa haro cia kimucii ni ucungiriirie ruhonge rwa ucirithania kuhingura magoti 13 kundu gutiganite ma gutwithania haro ta ici, undu uria riu ruhonge rwa igoti rugite na ikinya inene. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gishimo Joseph.